This is how I repaired a Yamaha R-5 stereo receiver. It's a good unit. Only problem is it would forget the station presets when the power was turned off due to a bad memory capacitor. So this is how I easily repaired that without dismantling the whole unit. 7 screws takes the outside cover off. This here is the newly installed memory capacitor. When you get a replacement capacitor, make sure you order one with the same voltage rating and UF rating, which in this case was 5.5 volts, 0.47 UF. And make sure to take note of the polarity, which is the wider gold stripe on there. Make sure it faces the same direction as the original capacitor when you put the new one in. Now if you look at the front of this unit, there's the loudness knob here. And if you count down 8 of these fin openings below that loudness knob, and had a flashlight and looked in there, you'd see the contact points of the original capacitor. They're a couple longer legs than any points around it, so it's easy to spot. And you just drill your access hole next to that fin there. Start out with a small drill bit, gradually enlarge it with minimal pressure. That way you avoid the risk of damaging the circuit board. And when you're desoldering the original capacitor, make sure to use a good hot soldering iron, probably a minimum 60 watts, to avoid frustration and damage. And when you install the new capacitor, you can get by with a lower wattage soldering iron. I used a 40 watt myself. And that's basically it. I enlarged my hole to 1/2 inch diameter. It worked fine for me. If you don't like the hole there, you can easily cover it with a piece of electrical tape when you're done. That's it.